Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make cream from milk powder. Combine 1 cup milk powder with 3/4 cup warm water and 1/4 cup melted butter. Whisk until smooth and chill for 30 minutes. Whip on medium speed until thick peaks form, adjusting thickness with extra powder or water. Use immediately or store in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Choose full-fat milk powder, unsalted butter, and cold water for the best texture. Measure 1 cup milk powder, 3/4 cup water, and 1/4 cup melted butter, and chill the water slightly. Use a bowl and hand mixer or whisk, and keep all utensils cold for better aeration. For stability, add a teaspoon of powdered sugar or vanilla for flavor, and test thickness before serving. Whip on medium speed and scrape the bowl often to ensure even aeration and smooth texture. Watch for soft peaks first, then continue a bit longer for stiffer cream while avoiding overbeating that causes graininess. Fold gently into desserts, spoon over fruit, or stir into sauces for richness. Store leftovers properly and re-whip briefly if needed to restore lightness before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.